Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a mind map on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the More section and search the Mind Map option. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the upload section, and here you can upload files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find it images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example shapes, stickers, charts and more. If you want to add text to the project, just go to the text button and click to the add the text box option. If you go to the design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one. Now you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, go to the square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text, right? And if you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the PyMac font THEF font type name, and here you can select another text style and font type. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon. In the effects section you can add effects, and in the animation section you can add different animation to your text. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye.